Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the sand in our Intex pool sand filter. We're going to take that top off. I have this all disconnected from last year. It's almost time to open the pool up again, so I'm just going to do the sand replacement real quick while it's all disconnected. So first, we're going to take the top portion of the filter off. Then we're going to vacuum out the sand with our shop vac. Then we're going to put the new sand in. I picked up my sand at Lowe's. You can get it at just about any building supply store like that or pool store. Now if you look on the side of your filter, there's going to be a sticker like this if you have one of the Intex ones, and it'll tell you exactly how much sand you need. And it says right here, I need 50 pounds of sand. Well guys, that's what sand looks like that's been running for a couple years. It's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. Let's vacuum that out with the shop vac and get it replaced. Okay guys, we have the old sand vacuumed out. I'm going to pour a little water in here to rinse it a little bit. I'm going to cover up my standpipe so I don't get sand in there, and then I'm going to pour sand up until the fill line right there. Okay guys, I've got it all taped up. If you saved this piece from when you installed your original filter and pool, it is used to put over this standpipe and get it centered. That way it's centered in your filter. You could use that. If not, just you're going to have to just measure and make sure you got this centered so your top piece fits on much better. But yeah, that's what this is for. Get everything centered up, and you can pour your sand in. Okay guys, there you go. 50 pounds puts it right at that top line, maybe slightly underneath it when you just kind of shake it into place. But good and centered pipe. I'm going to take my tape off, put my top back on, and then when we open this pool up, we're just going to do the normal thing we always do with our pool filter. We're going to backwash it, then we're going to rinse it and enjoy the pool this summer. So that's all I'm doing to change my sand filter. Let me know how you did yours. That's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.